Vlogmas day 2 totally did not end as it started.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose.
The day totally started normal. Morning routine. Was going to post advent calendars in today's vlog. Went to school. But because of what I did yesterday, let me just show you what I did yesterday.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm sensitive.
You
I'm
sensitive
ready.
like that?
There in the conference room.
Huh?
Over there.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to go down there now. Just
Oh
follow
my
me.
God, Mama, that was good. The day had other plans for me. So if you're questioning, wondering what's going on here, if you do or do not know, I'm a nurse. And I'm one of those people that always get some kind of feelings, symptoms, whenever I get something. Okay, I'm talking about this. So every year, I normally have to get a flu shot because that's one of the things that we do as a nurse. And I'm one of those that always gets achy, all that fun stuff afterwards. And now since what happened last year, I get to get poked twice or 3 times in a year. And full disclosure, this is my experience. This is my opinions, okay? And I'm just letting you know how and what I'm feeling and what's going on. Knowing what I went through last year, one thing that's unique about this one is that the response is delayed. It takes up to 12, maybe 24, some people up to 48 hours to start feeling something. So I slept through the night just fine. I was like, yay! Did I win this time? Did I win? I was actually hopeful. And then as the day kept dragging and dragging, I was telling my coworkers, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't think I'm going to make it. I'm not going to make it. And right now I feel so tired. I can barely keep my eyes open, a little bit achy. My head is foggy. And I was like, I got to go home. I just really need to go to sleep. And I'm struggling with this because there's so much that needs to be done. You bag babes know I have like a huge goal, and like, I'm trying not to get emotional here, but I don't know, maybe this is God's way of telling me, Rochelle, slow down. Girls know that I'm a big goal seeker. I shoot for the freaking stars. If I missed, then I fall. Wait, no, shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you land amongst the stars. You know that saying. So I'm always shooting for the moon, and it just I can't accept. Like, I'm not going to get it. Like, I'm trying to help other people. I'm trying to book clients. I'm trying to get my team rah. And I think, this is God's way of saying, Rochelle, slow down. You don't need to win all the time. Focus on yourself sometimes. And me feeling this kind of way is probably his way of letting me know that. And if you are new to me, if you don't know who I am, I always try to find the silver lining in everything. You bag babes know that. I'm very optimistic. And this is the silver lining that I'm choosing to believe in, because I don't know how to slow down. And I know how, I can't. Like, it's the last month, it's December, and I'm trying to reach a goal. And if I stop now, I'll be sad if I don't make it. But again, I just need to be happy with what I have. It's all about perspective. That's what I tell people. It's all about perspective. So bag babes, I'm out of commission for today. I need to get sleep, so that I can raw tomorrow for Friday. I have a very strong work ethic, and I normally don't go home sick unless I'm like really feeling it. Because for me, I save all my sick time for my kids so that I can always be available and step away. So very rare do I do it for myself. Very rare. I've learned that work ethic from my parents. They're just such hard workers. And so I'm such a team player. And everyone on the team was like, Rochelle, go home. Rochelle, go home. So bag babes, day 2 did not turn out as planned. But maybe it is. right? Maybe this is God's way of saying slow down. So I think this is my way of telling you, slow down, count your wins. Sometimes it's okay to take care of yourself first in order for you to take care of others, because there's a bigger plan for you, for me out there. And stay healthy out, y'all. Be safe, do kind, be kind, stay kind out there. All right, take care, y'all. See you in tomorrow's Vlogmas.
Red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.